While equation, to equate something together, that's why we write equals to here. While for expression is like writing a plus b. That's expression. S plus y, expression. X squared plus y cubed, expression. Because there is no equals to there. Is it clear? Why equation is when you have a plus b equals to c. This is an equation. X plus y is equals to z. This is what? An equation. S squared plus y cubed is equals to p. This is what? Equation. Do you understand? So if you know this, you know everything about algebraic equation and algebraic expression. Is it clear? So before we go into types of equation, forms of equation, forms of expression, we should know the difference between equation and what? Expression. So yeah, and before we have been saying this, like all alphabets are what? Are variables, while all numbers are what? Constant. Repeat after me. All alphabets are what? Variables. All numbers are what? Constant. For example, our A can be 1, 2, 3. B can be 4, 5, 6. But if I tell you 2 plus 2, my 2 plus 2 will remain 2 plus 2. My 3 plus 3 in anywhere in the world will remain 3 plus 3. Is it clear? Do you understand? So and before we move on, we are doing equation today. We'll talk of expression next time. Expression can be solved in two ways, two forms. The first one, to solve expression, mostly the question comes in simplify. If you hear simplify, this mostly deals with expression. And the meaning of this simplify means in expression, to simplify an expression, you can either factorize or what? Expand. This is what? We are talking of expression now. Do you understand? Probably we should do expression then. Let's do expression instead of equation that we plan today. Expression. If I ask you to simplify 2a plus 6b. What I ask you to do here is you factorize. You look at what is common. There is no equal to sign here. So this is an expression. Like I said, if you see an expression, two things should come to your mind. If they say simplify, you are either going to factorize or expand, or you are going to do the two together. Now, what is constant? What is common between the two? 2. 2 can go in 2a and can go in 6b. So if you factorize your 2 out, if you remove 2 from here, you have what? A. You divide 2 from here, you have what? 3b. This is the answer. This simplify. Do you understand? And also, if you have a question like this, a into bracket a plus b, simplify. It means a times a we give what? A squared plus a times b we give what? AB. This is the answer. Is it clear? So probably later when we talk about expression, then we talk about form of expression, how long they can be, how do you expand and how do you factorize. Like I said, this is just like intro to expression and equation. So we'll talk about expression later in our other episode. So for equations, we have forms of equation. The first one, we have linear equation. Linear equation. Let me shorten our equation to this. We have what again? Quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. And we have cubic equation. While you can name the rest polynomial. Polynomial. From the normal science lesson that we know, anything you hear in physics or any science learning, anything you hear linear, it means something that is one. So it means when you have A plus B is equals to C. The raised to power here, the index here, everything is what? 1, 1, 1. Is it clear? And when it is 1, you do not write it. So this is what? Linear equation. Is it clear? It can still be 2A plus C equals to F. You can combine everything together. In fact, it can be XY plus YZ equals to P. This is still what? Linear equation. Provided their raised to power is still 1. While for a quadratic equation, quadratic, it means it is raised to power of what? 2. For example, x squared plus y is equals to 4. This square in this one alone has make it, or let's say x squared plus x is equals to 4 to make it uniform. Mostly they are uniform. When you have x squared plus 4 is equals to 0, we are more concerned about this square. Or you have something like this. This is the general form of quadratic equation. AS squared plus BS plus C is equals to 0. Remember, always take note of this. This is the general form of what? Quadratic equation. AS squared plus BS plus C is equals to what? 0. This C here means it's a constant. This S here means B is the coefficient of what? S. The meaning of coefficient is the alphabet or the numbers with a sign in front of the digits. The coefficient of SK is what? A. Is it clear? So that is for quadratic equation. While for cubic equation, the same thing, also raised to power 3. When you have AS cubed plus BS squared plus CS plus D is equals to 0. A cubic equation. Is it clear? Do you understand? While for polynomial, like we said, in poly, something that is much. So it can start from 4, n can start from 4 and above. So it means you are going to write equation like a s raised to power n plus b s raised to power n minus 1. This will be decreasing, plus c s raised to power n minus 2 plus d raised to power what? S raised to power n minus what? 3. Till you have a constant z equals to 0, which your n can stand from 4 to infinity and above. Is it clear? So here we'll stop at equation to introduction between equation and what? Expression. In our next episode, we talk more on linear and quadratic equation. Hope everything is clear. Thanks for watching our video. Kindly like our video and subscribe to it. Thank you very much.